Welcome to this Win2PDF tutorial on how to add attachments to an existing PDF file. Let's get started. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to attach files to your PDF documents using Win2PDF. Attaching files to PDFs can be useful to add information, share resources, or include other documents and have it contained within a single file for archiving or distribution. First, we need to open the Win2PDF desktop app and select the PDF file we want to add an attachment to. From the Windows Start menu, locate and select the Win2PDF desktop app. Next, we'll need to open the existing PDF file we want to modify. In our example, we'll attach a license agreement PDF to an invoice. First, we'll open the invoice PDF. Once the invoice PDF has been opened, we'll need to select the license agreement attachment. From the File menu, go to Attachment and select Add File. Find the license agreement PDF file and select it. In the Win2PDF desktop window, it will show Includes Attachments. Now, select Save or Save As to save the modified PDF with the attached file. And that's it. For more information, visit www.win2pdf.com.